It's been going on for the last hour. And it's 5:30 now. It's actually been going on since 4 a.m. It's so loud. I woke up the baby. So there was that too. Okay. Yeah.
A few things you want to think. It's like if it gets that practical, and otherwise you should say like, hey, this.
I want to have the video playing until the beeping, so that I can then have a reference point for what was going on for the last 3 hours. Don't worry, it'll come.
Already no more music.
It'll come. Nothing more certain in life than death, taxes, and that beep in this car. That's how the saying goes.
Why is it not taking forever?
Yeah, what the hell? I feel like it was happening every 2 seconds, and now it's been like 33 seconds.
There's pizza. Okay, I want to check the reviews for good pizza.
Oh, for sure.
There it is. That took 40 seconds. Guys, we've been waiting. I think maybe it's every minute. Yeah, every minute that happens.
For 3 hours.
For 3 hours.
Don't even know the step more at some point.
Lovely. Riding shotgun, baby. Also, look at this guy's gear stick. Very cool. 4 hours shotgun in the minivan to Siem Reap. Let's go. Whoop. Siem Reap, Main Street. I always feel, can't tell if you can hear me, I always feel weird filming in like broad public as a tourist anyway, of which there are no others. It's cool. Pretty nice. For like £3 for the night? $4. It was $4. Or 5 or something. Super cheap. I'm gonna shower. God, I feel like I smell like shit. Guys, this shop has everything. Whew, I'm in heaven. Also, I think I'll be okay. Ooh, look, Mr. Organic. That's fun.